So, good afternoon, teachers. Without any much delay, let us just start this, and I will try to finish it as at a stipulated time. And of course, today's workshop. I think most of you all are, we've been doing workshops together now since few months now, so you all know what criterias we need. Just let's be on mute. Any doubts, any queries, you can raise your hand, or we always have the chat box for us. Okay, so we are starting with our first workshop for March, and it is an interesting workshop. It's creative writing and sight words. Today, we will be focusing more on sight words because with sight words, then the next step we'll go to creative writing. So the workshop which is scheduled for Saturday will be more. The focus will be on creative writing. Okay. You all know that the workshops which we conduct, we have a lot of practical ideas for teachers. And those who have attended earlier also, you know that my agenda is always to make the work of our teachers as minimal as possible. But today, since it's about sight words, there may be a little bit of more cutting or writing to do. But let's just see whatever work class. Just let's just enjoy this workshop. Okay. So the goals, I won't go much in detail about it. What slides I think that they are getting repeated, or they are getting if I have to skip, I'll just give you 2 minutes to read and you can skip the slide. Okay, we'll skip the slide. And also one more thing, there are few activities or topics that may be repetitive. So understand that it's not because I just want to fill the content and fill up the slides. It is because that particular activity is used in different ways, in different activities, serving different purpose. So I have just put it there. All right. So let's just go ahead. The session goals, of course, it's more about sight words. This integrating sight words into creative writing, I will be covering in the next class. But this is what more it is about. And there are loads and loads of activities, teachers. So if you want to jot it down, you can jot it down. You can take click pictures of take a screenshot of this thing. You can do that. But it's interesting. So, and first and foremost, we'll be doing is understanding sight words. Now, what exactly are sight words? Sight words are basically, teachers, they are high frequency words. Those words that are used, quite a lot, even in our speaking, also while writing. So the high frequency words, and they do not follow any phonetic rules. Most of them. Some of them do, some of them don't. But they do not follow. Like if you see the word was, W-A-S, ideally when the children are learning as, it is not as, it is was. So the thing is that we are going to, this is what the idea, we have to make it clear to the children also. And I apply this technique for different words also, which do not completely follow the phonetic rules. I tell my children personally also, I tell them, okay, this is a sight word, just remember it, just learn it like this. There are many different words which don't fall into the sight word category, but as and when they grow up, we can stick to this idea that it does not follow phonetic rule, means you have to learn. Okay, so there are two types of sight words. Now, two types as in regular sight words, these come a lot in our when you're using that particular language, when you're writing, when you're speaking. So like big hair, can, red, as I've written, the most like common ones which come to my mind or which we use, and these are few words that children use quite a lot. And so they follow the proper phonetic rules. Okay, can. So this is where it is coming. Irregular sight words are those who do not follow the phonetic rules. These are something that needs to be memorized. Simple. We will not go into detail, nor we will explain the sight words, how this word, why, when you THE liya, to ye ban sakta hai, wo nahi. No explanation on how that word is formed. It does not follow the phonetic rule. So it is a sight word, needs to be memorized. Simple.
Okay.
Now, of course, why are these important? Yes, we also know. In fact, I wanted to ask you all teachers, but I will just brush through that. So, why are the sight words important? First, of course, it boosts our reading speed. So, हम जो भी we will the children when they read. So if they know these sight words, it becomes faster for them to read. It improves their comprehension. So basically, they know how to write. They know how to explain, and they also know, the meaning, where to put in this the words, everything. And sight words है high frequency words है वो आने ही है हमारे conversation में. Supports early writing. See, it is all interconnected. I have just put it for some theoretical aspect. More the focus you will get it on the practical ideas which will come ahead. Now we have how do children learn sight words. So this I'm going to show you age-wise progression. Chalo, playgroup में we are not that keen on it. Nursery we are just putting it, like brushing through it, just touching it. Like, playgroup is basically just touching the base, the tip of it. Nursery, brushing through it. Junior, we are getting into it, into the concept of the sight words. What are sight words? They are learning new words. And senior KG, we are totally deep in under the ocean of sight words. ठीक है? तो sorry. So play school में कहाँ से we think that okay, play school, they are too young, we don't need it, but it is what they are listening. This is when their listening skills are are most at use. So when you're putting across, in forms of rhymes, bolo songs, stories, if you are talking about different objects, you're showing them some objects. If you are adding 1 minute, sorry, I thought somebody's messaging in the chat box. It is just the teachers were writing the details. Yeah, so this is what the play school, where the sight words are just introduced. They don't know the concept, nor we are going to tell them, this is a sight word, remember. No, it is just that when they are listening, they are adapting to these things. So when they learn that particular word, they can connect to it. Okay. Next we have nursery. For nursery, of course, we have simple 2-letter, 3-letter words. Just using flashcards, it doesn't come into the curriculum concept. This happens in the latter half of nursery when the transition period starts, where they are going to go into junior, the last few months of the academic year. So यहाँ पे when they recognize these letters like M and E, so M-E makes me, G and O, go. So they know the letters, the letters, and they can, when they come together, this is what we do. More emphasis will be on 2-letter words, and not 3-letter. We can just do one of them, but I would suggest, let's stick to 2-letter words. In nurse junior KG is when हमारे common sight words अभी picture में आते हैं. So I have kept few things which I have used for my children. In fact, or what all classes I used to conduct earlier, I have kept 1 or 2 things what I used to use for my students and my children. I'll show it to you. So here these common sight words now, what we would do is we would make these small squares. Wait, I'll just show it to you right now on the way. These okay. Why am I? Yeah. So this is like, long, it will be just, but book hai. So these are simple things which I was basically doing a particular story with them. And these were the few words that were coming into it. But when you see, ऐसे ही मैं sight words बनवाती थी. Simple colored sheet पे मैंने print out निकाला था. You can write it down also. And then I would just show it to them, every day. ये ऐसे words, like just say the word, done. Queen, queen. These are not sight words. I'm just telling you that I had done it for a story. So essay, I used to keep doing it. And when you see it over the, like If you take just set of 5 or 6 sight words, show it to them daily, at least for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, fourth week, they will only tell it to you like a parrot. Okay, so because they are seeing it and they are understanding it, you can jumble the words also, then you can do it, but that's how you can keep introducing the sight words. Keep introducing new sight words. And so यहाँ पे you can make them play. I have lots of activities related to matching or memory coming up, so I'll talk about it that time. अभी इसमें this in senior KG is where they are applying those sight words and forming sentences. Here, not only speaking but reading also, writing also comes into the picture, and reading. तो ये चीजें सारी अभी इसमें, like you invested that time in making those flashcards earlier. Now we are getting the returns of those, using those sight words in senior KG, and they start learning new sight words. So that bank keeps increasing. Vocabulary, I really consider, increasing the words, it as a vocabulary bank. अभी ये जितने आप भरते जाओगे, जितने भरते जाओगे, you get good returns in it. Okay, so senior KG is simple sentences. Now we go to fun ways. This is just a glimpse of it, what I'm showing. Sight word wall. In fact, this I had done when I was teaching, but I had also done it for my children as well. हमने एक सिंपल चार्ट पेपर लिया था जो यूज्ड था, उसके फिर बैक साइड को we had put it up on the door, and any sight words they would learn, we would just keep putting such sheets. And that time I had not printed this. I just written them down on these such small piece of paper, and we would keep adding it up. In end May, what I noticed, I realized, I happened to notice what my children were doing was that they were only, while playing randomly, they'll see the board and then they'll see if there's so they would, just make, the sky is something sentences they would only form by themselves in a playway method without me even sitting and making them do it. So if it's there in front of them, their attention is going on. Sing and clap. Abhi spell out sight words with claps. T, H, E, the. So this is an activity wherein, उनको वो clap से समझता है कि spelling क्या है, वो they start remembering that. Like if it will be T, but if they forget, they say E. They know they've only clapped twice. There is a third clap, so they've forgotten one more letter. And it's easier to make them remember this way. Dramatic play, act out. This is just a thing that you can introduce a sight word that way. This I found it online and I found it really, yes?
Will you please repeat it again?
Which the sing and clap?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. See, sing and clap is basically to make the children remember the number of letters that are there in that sight word. So if it is the, T-H-E, the, so we will be like T, T, H, E, the. So they know कि 3 claps बनके हमारा word बना था the. ठीक है? So you can use it this way, and we can keep introducing. And when the children are, doing something along with this, so they remember. So if you ask them the spelling of the, they will remember that they clapped thrice. So there is it has 3 letters in the word, and then they'll remember it. वो sequence भी हो जाता है. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This I found really interesting. So we can use this as, the sideward pockets which I found. So you can also, give them these ice cream sticks, or जिस पे उन्होंने लिखा है, so A-N-D and लगाया, O-F. So they are forming. They also know कि कहाँ से शुरू करना है, कहाँ end हो रहा है word, and you can do it this way. So I just found it interesting, so I've put it across. Word wall, whichever way you want to make, you can make. You can take a simple newspaper and use it as a base. Nothing like that you have to come up with a creative chart or anything. Just use it whichever way. Only the words need to be loud and clear. That's it. The next, okay, now I have some examples. I have also put across an entire month-wise. It's a bonus from our end. It's a month-wise. Which sight words can you teach the children? Okay, so I won't go much into this. You can just have a glance. You can glance through it because आगे जाके वो पूरा list आएगा. ठीक है? Now, this is my favorite part. Techniques for teaching sight words. अभी techniques आएगी, games आएगी, activities आएगी. So this is where I have fun. ठीक है? So the techniques basically remember repetition, as I have repeated it like quite a lot of times in most of the workshops which I've conducted. That repetition is a very crucial component when it comes to preschool teaching. So repetition तो आना ही है. Multi-sensory activities, because the children are young, they are not yet, comfortable holding the pencil or this way, but we can introduce it through different textures. काफी सारी चीजें आएगी. I'll show it to you. Just a moment. Yeah. So now strategies, what I want, okay, what we are going to do. Abhi pehla, of course, is repetition and daily exposure to it. So, ye word of the day. Like, in fact, this word of the day, when I was teaching eighth graders, that was years after I taught preschool. But eighth graders also, I used to do word of the day, wherein they would come with a new word which they have just unlearned, or they will Google it, or they would find in the dictionary, and we will just listen to that word, understand the meaning of it, and try to apply that word in like throughout the day, any day, throughout the day, in any of the conversation, or just make a sentence if we had the time. But this works for preschool bachas also. Okay, but junior, senior will more relate to it, and you can also just tell it to nursery, but you may not get that response yet, but they are just listening to it, they are soaking it in. Environmental print hai. Abhi this I have time and again I have mentioned about this, that print the label each and everything in the school, everything. Dustbin, label it, label any possible thing. Switchboard, label it, like with a switchboard. I have put in I wanted to do one activity with you all, but I'll just I'll show you what labels I wanted to add. Oh yeah, I've put it here only. See, this way. And I used to it's like D. Why the first letter of the word is red, so that the children know that the word starts from here. This is when they are learning that how the word goes from left to right, how are we reading, so they know. So door hai, window hai, anything, label it. Trust me, it really works. Because ये क्या हो रहा है, they are soaking it in, रोज देख रहे हैं. We used to label the staircase, we used to label the railing that which they are holding, we used to label the cabinet, the baskets, the doors, door handles, so many things we would keep labeling things, but what happens is they are understanding, their vocabulary is increasing, they are learning so many things, so many words, and they know the meaning of the words without even teaching it to them. So staircase, so they know, okay, this is what is a staircase. ठीक है, so they are just understanding it. I mean, वो it really works. मल्टी सेंसरी, अभी मैंने पहले ही बताया, क्लैप हैंड्स किया, तो ये बच्चे सुन रहे हैं, हम क्लैप हैंड्स करवा रहे हैं, वो प्ले स्कूल में भी हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं लैटर हाफ में. नर्सरी ट्रेस साइट वर्ड्स विद फिंगर्स. अभी फ्लावर भी होता है, तो सूजी होता है ना, सूजी का वो सूजी. So what I used to do is I used to roast the suji, dry roast it, either microwave it or dry roast it in a pan, and I used to keep it in a dabba, and I would keep giving, because if it gets spoiled and if there are those tiny insects or whatever comes, so the kids, we don't get to see it because they are of the same color. So I used to dry roast it, and once in a month keep just roast it quickly or microwave it, so that again it heats up and it is proper. So I used to use suji a lot, and वो tracing of letters होता है, or whichever way, it works. One more thing I had noticed, one of the teachers, what she used to do is, उन्होंने है ना पेपर प्लेट लिया था, उसपे ग्लू गन होता है, ग्लू गन से what she did was, वो A और an एंड लिखा ग्लू गन से, उस ऊपर सूजी डाल देते थे, एंड देन द चिल्ड्रन यूज टू फील द टेक्सचर. कि कहाँ से जाना है, वो सिर्फ बता देती थी कि यहाँ से शुरू होगा. सो दे यूज टू फील द टेक्सचर along with that tracing. और फिर she would shift them to a blank paper plate or a tray जिसमें सिर्फ वो होता था, just the flower. So they would just follow that thing because they remembered it through the tactile learning technique. Junior KG, jump on floor mats. So अभी mats रख दिए हैं. So now just jump over it, jump on its right, jump on the left of this particular word. Anything, you can keep increasing the complexity, keep changing it, anything works. Then we have senior KG, of course, air writing. Air writing, matlab, it is when you are introducing any word, make them write in the air so that their brain registers it. And it really helps in not only sight words, in all the words, any difficult words. Use sight words in context, as in, read stories जिसमें वो sight words ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं. Write them on the board, show them the sentences, put in some pictures, and they will enjoy it. Sight words, introduce sight words in small groups. Like हर हफ्ते हम ऐसा नहीं है that I have this entire bundle, I am going to introduce it in this week only. I just want you to remember. Simple. No. 2 रखो, 3 रखो, थीम वाइज जाओ. टेक अ थीम लाइक कलर्स लिया तो ये कलर्स का हम थीम दिखा आज. वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दीज 3 कलर्स ये वीक में. दैट वे गो स्लो बिकॉज if you hurry, you'll end up, confusing the children and losing their interest in it. Music and movement say, of course, sight words, gao up familiar tunes. May I'm not such a good singer that otherwise I would have tried it. I keep trying putting across instructions also in the form of rhyme. Like if I want the children to pack their toys or if I want them to listen to me, I start singing it in any of the tunes, and I keep imparting that instructions. The same thing you can put it for sight words also. But tune similar rakho, which the children can connect to, but put it across, they listen. My 8-year-olds also, till date, if I start singing in any particular tune and I tell them what I want to say when I'm singing in that particular tune, they will understand, they will listen. But it works. Sight word action songs, jumping kara rahe ho, to add in that way. Word mapping, break sight words. अभी उनको अगर हम what सिखा रहे हैं, अभी what है ना, like WH words are little tricky for these children. Say w, w, h, तो what, तो AT भी आता है, तो बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं. Try to show them this way. Break the words. Break it, W dash dash H dash AT. Show it to them that way. तो वो लोग को याद रहेगा वो चीज. ठीक है. Sight word games and activities. Q, it helps in reinforcing the word recognition. Yeah. Sorry, I'm in a hurry, but I know you teachers are also busy. I'll try to complete it by 3. I won't keep you guys for long. Okay, so ये जो है ना sight word bingo. Now, earlier also I've said, and I think those who have been attending the workshop, they know that bingo is, I think, definitely one of my favorite games to put in. It's one of the repeated activities which I've mentioned because it actually works. So these words which I'm showing you, I had shown. I had given them a bingo thing on these words. I have made bingo for sight words, for e-letter words, for whichever, like 2 vowel words le liye and do a bingo thing. Just make a grid and write and just pick it up and give them stickers to stick on it or colors or paint, whatever, to put a dash, like just to make it creative, and it works. I'll show you. See here like this. This I found it on Pinterest, but this is something like this that we can keep doing, and trust me, the children enjoy it. And then you'd have to tell them that once you complete one line, sleeping, standing, or diagonal, just shout bingo, and they are into it totally. word balloon pop. ये भी मजा आता है. In fact, with balloons, you can do some gross motor skills and then, write those letters. Here, the child is holding, it's a number letter. I couldn't find a picture appropriate for that. But, write the sight word and they have to pick that sight word, search for it, okay? A-N-D, and कहाँ है ढूंढो, पिकअप करो, पॉप करो. वो पॉप करने में ही उनको मजा आता है. और sit on it, rather than giving them anything sharp or pointy, just tell them to sit on it. Like it'll just pop and they'll enjoy. Then we have walking words, like, walk around the room. Kids have to, walk, and, you have to call out and they have to walk around and show you where are the words, just place some flashcards. Puzzle words है ऐसे. ये अभी उसमें they are doing two, using two things. They are using these letters also to form, and they are fixing the puzzle. You can do it whichever way, but I've just found this and I liked it. How, and yeah, and if you see, you can see they have also put, that F means fan, F for fan, then owl, then ring. So they know the sound also and they can associate it. So it helps, then you can remove it over the year, over the months. If the children are used to it, you can remove those pictures or you can put a white tape on it to remove, to hide those pictures. Roll and write. So roll a dice and write the words that matches the number rolled. So ye hai na, you have to prepare a list. I'll just have a list, like I'll just show you. I had made something like this, a word bank, wherein there were pictures. This is for grade one and children in grade 2. So I had, okay, yeah. So ऐसे बनाया था, फिर मैंने ना इधर भी लिख लिया था. Like I had divided these words only into 6 parts. Or every time, you roll a dice, I would say, this particular word, I would make, say, a sentence. For example, river tha idhar, river. So, if one comes, so I would say a sentence. For example, I would make the children read a sentence. There was a river next to the temple. So, river. So, if they heard that word, they will search for it in the number 1 category. Okay, and then they would write that word. So they are writing, they are listening skills, they are remembering it, everything is coming into that one thing. Now I'm giving you some games age wise. Okay, साइट वर्ड ट्रेजर हंट है. इसमें सिंपल प्ले स्कूल में आप देखोगे, मैं ज्यादा आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू इट आल्सो, जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैड टू कवर प्ले स्कूल, आई हैव डन इट. आई वुड आल्सो से सिंपल चीजें वी कैन मेक देम डू. Hide cards like simple I, me in the room, and let children, you say the word or you show them the word initially and go and find it. So basic matching करा रहे हैं हम. Magic writing है, you can give them, magic writing. In fact, one thing that works is, give them paper, give water and paintbrush. Unko randomly just let them do it. No color, nothing, or it will keep drying out. I had a wall designated at home for my children, wherein I used to give them just this, water and this. They would keep doing random stuff, or I would stick a picture of letter A and tell them to, write A using the paintbrush, and they would think what Picassos they are, like some masterpiece they are creating, and it would dry off in 5 minutes. So you can try that. Of course, at school, I would not say a wall, but you can use papers. Hop and say, like when you're using some actions also, they remember. Nursery, of course, we have side word jump, which I've already mentioned, sight word. Then we have flashlight fun. This is fun for all 3 grades. Nursery bolo, junior bolo, ya senior bolo. Playgroup, I would not recommend, but these 3, yes, you can turn off the lights, shine the flashlight on the word, and the child has to read it. You can write it on the board and shine it on, or stick pictures, whatever. Sand writing, as I have mentioned, I will not repeat it. Fishing for sight words, you can use those fish magnet wo rods aate hai, so you can stick sight words on that fish so that they can do the fishing thing with the magnet. So it's a fun thing. Bingo hai, bola hai maine. Throw a softball, the child catches it and reads the sight word from the board. So you can complicate it, ki फिर एक bin रख दो, उसमें डालो, then bounce it twice and do it. Anything, and you can keep changing it. For senior KG, of course, Pictionary हम खिला सकते हैं. This is fun. Draw a picture that represents the sight words, and they have to understand it, and they can do it. Sentence builder hai, give them, and they have to make sentences. Memory match hai, matching. You know that. I will not go into it. Some group. This basically I wanted to do with your teachers, but this was just that I wanted to make some flashcards of sight words with you all. Since we are running out of time, I won't be doing it, but I will just show you the instructions so you all can do it among yourselves in the school. To create sight word flashcards, what all things do we need? Of course, I would want only paper and red and a black marker, and that works. See, first basically select 10 to 15 sight words based on the children's age and reading level. Use large or clear letters. You can either print also, you can write it also, but write it in bold. Color coding hai, so you can do this also. Like red for action words hai, blue for common words, green for proper those words. Aise up you can do it. Visuals, pictures if you want to. Of course, this also helps. So I'm just giving you some, and laminate it. अगर जो words आप use करने वाले हो throughout the year, it is better to invest once and laminate those words, and it will stay. Like, then you don't have to keep making those. Now, fun ways to use sight word flashcards. ये सिर्फ flashcards अगर जब हमने बनाए, so flash and find, show them, and they can ask the children to look out for the same word, hide the other pair somewhere. Please mute yourself. Jump and read hai. So, the same thing what I have mentioned. I'm just giving you more ideas for the flashcards. Memory match. Like this. See, this is quite similar to what I had done. The cards which I was showing, this is quite similar to that. Okay, so this is also fun. This is also fun. And here all you can see, I have not just simple squares, right? And done. Sentence building, use flashcards to create simple sentences, phrases, I see a cat. This is just it. I've just this is how, you can do it. Hide flashcards around the room and let the children find them and read them. This is also fun. You can do it as an outdoor activity as well. Now, classroom integration of sight words. Sorry, I'm just rushing through. I know the teachers are always have a time crunch, so I'm just rushing through. I'm not getting into the thing. My idea is to show you the activities which I have found, and I want you all to go through those. And this is like word of the day. Again, repetition. I'm not going to get into it. Story time. So when you've done a story, and most of the stories, of course, peaceful stories are repetitive. So there is repetition of words in it, like phrases hai, words hai. There is some kind of a repetition. You can take one particular sight word from any story and introduce that sight word and then do the story. So they will understand. They will be alert, on alert, like, okay, this sight word came here again. Writing and art activities. Children write, give them clay also. This, in fact, when I was learning, I was doing my diploma in learning disabilities. I had tried this, I was supposed to do a project, and I had done this project long time back on, how to help make the children remember, those who have writing disabilities, a particular word. So, and those who want to have difficulty focusing. I had given this, we had given this print of DAY, day likha tha humne, and we gave them clay. And the children were supposed to roll and write day using the clay. So, and they were sitting for a long time, they were focused on what they were doing, and they could remember the word much faster. So some difficult, of course, school hai, but some difficult words you can, of course, give them clay. Reward they don't go, create, a reward system hai, a reinforcement, appreciate their efforts. It works. See this way. See exactly this way. ARER likha hai, वैसे ही. And I found this very cute, random wall पे सिर्फ हमने sight words लिख दिए. That also was very nice. So I've just put it. गेम्स है साइट वर्ड हॉपस्कॉच कराओ वर्ड टॉस करो बीन बैग से डाल के दिस इज जस्ट आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग wall displays labels I've said sight word walls I've said already so I'm not going to month wise sight words now if you wish to click pictures you can so we have month 1 to 6 ये सिर्फ हम ब्रश जस्ट से टच करके हम चले जाएंगे प्ले स्कूल के लिए तो भी मैंने डाले हैं थोड़े थोड़े साइट वर्ड्स we may not get the response that we want of course they are too young but just introducing some words to them so I have put in go stop run jump so these are some things which हम daily use में भी उनके साथ use होता है तो वो words मैंने डाले हैं sun moon star 1 2 3 4 all these 12 months का डाला है एक्टिविटीज ऑफ कोर्स पिक्चर मैचिंग फ्लैश कार्ड सॉन्ग्स ये एक्टिविटीज मैंने बहुत रिपीटेड भी हुई है और काफी भी है जस्ट गो थ्रू इट नर्सरी C3 4 है तो मंथ 1 में आई मी मॉम डैड है अप डाउन इन आउट सी दिस इज हाउ कलर्स है तो सारे वो मंथ में मैंने सिर्फ 4 कलर्स लिए हैं एक्शन वर्ड्स है तो 4 एक्शन वर्ड्स ही डाले हैं ईट ड्रिंक प्ले स्लीप you can keep doing it this way this is till 12 months same आप देखोगे it is quite repetitive to what we've done in play school it is just that I may have put in one more word to it but it is quite similar because of course same thing picture matching flashcards sensory activities करा दो is इनको paint water painting करने दो all that let them do it will be fun they'll do it Junior KG, now you'll see the complexity has of course increased. We are climbing up a step at a time. And let me just go through. There are some chat box messages. Is it okay. Yeah, sure. WhatsApp. Okay, Little Flower School. Yes, I will. What I'll do is I'll talk to Pooja ma'am, and what I'll do is I'll make a PDF of this vocabulary, the sight words that you can introduce in the month, and I will send a PDF regarding that. So you can refer to all 4 grades. Is that okay? Yeah, surely everyone. I'll just talk to them. How do we go about it? But we'll share a PDF if possible, and I'll do it. Otherwise, in the next workshop, if that we have on Saturday. So what we can do is, if we are not able to send a PDF, I will again show you the slide, and you can click pictures of these things. Okay, whatever it is, we'll ensure because this is something that it makes our life easy, and that's what my agenda also was. So of course, I'll share. Sorry, I'm going fast. I don't want you all to, I don't want to delay your plans for the day. But yeah, so for this is junior KG. So now you'll see, we have day, night, sun, moon. तो हम थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंज कर रहे हैं फ्रेंड है फनी है वांट नीड everything is coming into the picture so one by one we are introducing new words and we are sharing it like we want them to learn it also. Abhi in junior KG, they learn that competitive thing, the first and last and everything. I have more, you have less. So we are using those words. See, if you can see what words they'll be using more is what I've tried to put here. Sentence building. Abhi hamara thoda ye sight word bingo's here again. Okay, then we have senior KG. Senior KG, you'll see I have kept most of the words as 4 words a month. You can do, and for all these, what you can do is month 1 ke first week mein if you've introduced about. Month 2 mein you will add after but you will do about as well. Month 4 mein you will do all 3, that is about after again. Month 3 mein, sorry. And month 4 mein all 4 words and there should be a repetition. उसके बाद you can give them some activity wherein you can make them do give them some worksheet writing of these words. Along with it, try to make them sentences for senior KG. And what I said, for week wise वैसे ही रखना for every month. ठीक है? दो, 1 2 words in a week, वैसा don't do it. Go a little slow. We want them to remember it. We don't want to confuse them. And here we go. Together, tomorrow, water, work, ऐसे words जैसे हम use वो लोग करेंगे. These are the activities: storytelling with sight words, writing short paragraphs, word puzzles है. ये हम थोड़ी complexity, आप देखोगे तो हमने सारी complexity थोड़ी थोड़ी बढ़ाई है. ठीक है? Some more activities, just last 2 3 slides. That's it, teachers. साइट वर्ड पेंटिंग है, सिंग इट आउट. हॉपस्कॉच जो करवाते हैं हम बाहर आउटडोर में, यूज इट विद साइट वर्ड्स. राइट साइट वर्ड्स, लेट देम थ्रो द स्टोन और अ पेबल एंड व्हेन दे जंप ऑन इट दे हैव टू रीड द साइट वर्ड फॉर हॉपस्कॉच. स्टिकर मैच है. You can put a tape behind it and do it. Blue tack also works. Soft toy hunt hai, hunt soft toys and tell them to name it or whatever fun. Mystery box आप कर सकते हो. हम walk of the word. 1 minute, just a moment. Okay, sorry, Little Sunflower School. What you can do is click a picture and keep it. What I'll tell you is to share it on the chat box, or else I'll give you the email ID and you can mail it to us. And of course, we can then discuss it, and I would, or else I can share it with, I'll share it on my screen after I get it on the email or anything. But we'll do it on Saturday. We can try to do it. Yeah, that will be fun. सो दीज आर फ्यू एक्ट इट आउट है. वर्ड फिशिंग जो मैंने बोला है, रेपिटेशन है. मैं सिर्फ आपको बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? मोस्ट ऑफ इट इज रेपिटेशन. फ्लैशलाइट है. वर्ड राइट कुकी, प्रिटेंड दैट कुकी कटआउट्स दिए हमने, उस पे सारे हम बेकिंग के सिखा सकते हैं. बेक, शुगर, केक, तो ये वो लोग सिर्फ वर्ड सीख रहे हैं. रीडिंग आउट इट अलाउड विद देम. सो इट्स जस्ट द थिंग, ओके, दे आर ईटिंग अ वर्ड कुकी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सीक्रेट कोड राइटिंग ये सीनियर केजी को करा सकते हैं. डॉट्स एंड डैशेस दे दो, लेट देम डीकोड इट. रिले कराओ, टेल मी अ सेंटेंस, पिक्चर मैच, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. ठीक है? सो ओवरऑल योर वी आर डन, टीचर्स. God, I rushed today, I know. Any other queries, you can definitely put it in the chat box, or else on Saturday if you're attending we can discuss that. But otherwise, I have covered as much as activities I could think of, I thought of, I recollected, I researched, whatever I got, I have just put it in the presentation. I will share the sight words list with you all. I will just talk about the thing. And also, constructive feedbacks are welcome. Of course, I don't want to hear. I know I rushed a little bit, but I didn't want to, take a lot of your time. And anyways, you were waiting, but due to technical reasons, we couldn't start it on time. So I didn't want to delay it. Otherwise, your feedbacks are always welcome, so that I know how can I work on it. Okay, if you want to see you want me to share the PPT, okay, let me just talk to Pooja ma'am and see what we can do about it. And thank you. If you enjoyed the session, my agenda is always that you enjoy them, because this is a one-way communication process. But I want to impart as much as ideas to the teachers, as much as practicality possible. Okay? So without much ado, thank you so much, teachers. We'll see you on Saturday. And Pooja ma'am, over to you.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, yeah, yes, you'll be.
Shri, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah, you can take over now. I'll just mute myself.
Okay, ma'am, fine. Ma'am, just now, ma'am has converted everything for you, no? Hope so, as you got everything from your side. If you're having any doubts, also, I have shared one contact numbers in the charter box. Uh, I was going to share once again for you, all of you, again, this contact numbers and all. You can connect on the same number if you're having any doubts and all, so that we are there to help you. Okay? Yes, just now I have shared the contact numbers. Are you having any doubts and all? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. We have a doubt regarding bingo. We did not get rid that bingo topic really. Bingo cards. How
Bingo
should
card.
we explain and how should we go with the class? Is it an
Yes.
activity?
Just a minute, ma'am. I was
See the
going.
bingo card now. What I'll do is I'll share a worksheet with you all, or else I'll show you a image, okay, a picture of how bingo is played. ठीक है वो बेसिकली ग्रिड होता है ग्रिड में यू राइट द वर्ड्स विच यू वांट लाइक अभी द है एंड है व्हाट ऑल वर्ड्स यू वांट ठीक है यू कीप द लिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स इन लाइक दिस विथ यू एज वेल ठीक है एंड नाउ यू विल से द वर्ड द सो द चिल्ड्रन को आप या तो गिव द चिल्ड्रन crayons पेंट्स और स्टिकर्स कुछ भी दीजिए say the word the children have to locate the word in the grid and they have to put a sticker on it or paint it or crayon or circle it whatever वो अगर उन्होंने and the grid is 5 by 5 so there are 25 words in it you can और बच्चों को और 5 स्टैंडिंग लाइन में स्लीपिंग लाइन या स्लांटिंग लाइन में 5 वर्ड्स हो गए so they have to shout bingo that's it. If you want, you can also search it. Otherwise, I can try to, source out a worksheet and I can show it to you in the next session.
Okay, ma'am. If you send a worksheet, it will be a very useful and helpful for us.
Okay, okay. I'll try to show it to you. If possible, I'll send. Otherwise, I'll show it to you definitely.
Yeah, anyone else has any questions?